Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, follow me to learn how you can write the Chinese character sheng in cursive. Now, let's get started. First, in block letter, sheng. Four and five stroke orders in total. If you write in cursive, you can write a number 4 and following a number 2. Sheng. Now follow me to make up 5 different words with the character sheng. First one, 人生. It means life. Next one, 生人. Stranger. Qing sheng. To celebrate somebody's birthday. Qing sheng, to celebrate one's birthday. 生长. Grow. And 学生. Student. Sheng, 人生 life. 生人 stranger. 庆生 to celebrate one's birthday. 生长 grown. 学生 student. 生. Can you also make up any other words with character sheng? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.